So in this video I'll be talking about the different methods of building estimates. So there are two methods of building estimates. Number one is long wall and short wall method. Long wall and short wall method. So we'll talk about long wall and short wall method now. So suppose this is a plan of a single room and the dimensions are given as 8 meter into 5 meter. So the first dimension is always considered as length and the second dimension is always considered as breadth. In this method, means in long wall and short wall method, the external faces are considered as the long wall, and as this dimension clearly says that this is the long wall, so external face means this, as this is the long wall, this part of the wall and this part of the wall, the external faces will be considered in long wall. So look at the figure again. So these dimensions which are given already, these are the internal dimensions of any room. So if this is a long wall, suppose, so 8 meter is the internal dimension from here to here, and if this is a short wall, the 5 meter is the internal dimensions of this wall from here to here. And I forgot to mention about the thickness of the wall. The 30 centimeter is the thickness of the wall. You can directly consider it as 0.30 meter. So while calculating length for long wall and short wall, in the long wall and short wall method, first of all we do one thing. This wall is divided into two parts. This wall is divided into two parts. See, the wall thickness has been divided. See these imaginary lines. So now while calculating the external faces, means in case of long wall, always external faces are considered, means this face and this face are considered while calculating for long wall actually, and the remaining part is taken up for the short wall, means the part starting from here to here, like this. This portion is also considered, means here if the thickness is 30, so we will consider as 30 centimeter, then we will consider as 15 centimeter, means 5 plus 15 here and 15 in this side also. And similarly in case of long wall, 8 plus 15 this side and 15 that side also. I hope you got this. So now we can finally calculate the long wall and short wall. So just remember external faces for long wall, then first dimension is always considered as length, second dimension is always considered as breadth, and these are the internal dimensions. So now for long wall calculation, as 8 meter is the long wall, means this one and this one, 8 plus 8 plus this part also and this part also, means if the thickness of this wall is 0.30, so our thickness, the thickness which we will consider for each side is 0.15 meter. 0.15 plus 0.15 gives us 8.30 meter is the long wall. Then for short wall, 5 plus again as the thickness of this wall is also 0.30 meter, so we will have to take the half of it, 0.15 meter, and again 0.15 meter here also. As this is as 5 meter is the internal dimension of the short wall from starting from here to here, then the wall thickness is also given as 30 centimeter or 0.30 meter. So as I told you, we have to consider half the thickness of the wall on each side while calculating for long wall and short wall. So 5 plus is 0.15 on this side and again 0.15 on this side, 5.30 meter. So for long wall is 8.30 meter and short wall is 5.30 meter. These are the initial lengths which are used for the calculation in the estimating table to find out the quantity.